In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download VLC on your computer or on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, now you can see I have here VLC and I'm just about to download it. To get here, first you need to go ahead and open your computer or your laptop and then head down here to Microsoft Store by clicking on this icon. So if you go ahead and click on it, it will go ahead and open Microsoft Store. Alternatively, if you can't see this icon, just head over to Start menu here and then you'll see Microsoft Store is here. Go ahead and click on it and this will take you to Microsoft Store. From here, now you can create your free account and then you'll be able to access any app that you so wish. For our case, we want to download VLC media player and you can see it is here. So if you can't find it, go ahead and search for it using the search function on top here. And let me search for VLC. And here we go. We have our VLC media player for photos and videos. Now proceed and click on it. And you'll see we have an option to install. So if you go ahead and click on this, VLC media player will be downloaded directly to your computer. Once it's done, it will be installed. And now if you go back, you'll see your VLC media player available on your computer here. So that's how you install VLC media player on your computer. If this video is helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, you can support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.